press space bar. I think I'm going to go with this color. Okay, I don't know, you can choose any color of your choice. Let me just pick this one. Just picking it, not that. That's what. So if you want to pick, you click on this, which is copy X. Click on this, then you go to your code. Now, where do I want to apply this color? I want to apply it on the header. I want this header to have a color, so I'm going to remove this border that I put there. I want it to have a color, so I'm going to remove this border. So now let me go to my code and then remove, put, where is the header? Instead of using this, I will use background color. Then I will put hash, because every X color starts with hash, and then put Ctrl V to paste the color that I copied. Ctrl V. You can see it, so I can begin to vary this, okay, to get different variants of the color. So I think I have that. If you look at this now, let me remove this background too, right, and see for myself what I have. You can see what I have, right now. So I can go back to the code and change the color of this link, which is the nav link to color. That's for text color, call it black, because it's like black works well with that color that I use. If you want to be sure black works well, go back to where you copy the color. You can see what's the color of the text here. It's black. So that's how you know which color works well, which color of text works. Like this one, if I'm to choose this one, I'm going to use white. So you can see I have this, okay, but I still need this one to come like to the center. So I go back to my code. Whatever you want to use as the name of your logo, you can put your name. So logo, I want the logo to come down to the center, so I will apply flex property for children. Align self will bring it to the center. So align will work for vertical movement when the flex direction is shown. You can see it now. It better comes to the center. So you can put your name here, okay, while you have this. So this is good now. Okay, you can see. Okay, there are other things you can still do here. So I'm going to go to where I can download image and type pixels.com. I just look for computer image. Maybe not computer. A man standing. Okay, just look for a picture. I don't know what to look for. Let me see. Okay, maybe I like this. So I just download it straight. Okay, so I'm going to